I'm currently outside in Winter Storm Fern. So far, about 9 inches have fallen. Now we're getting a mix of snow and sleet. So even though it is snow coming down, you could actually see. Yeah, so we're having snow and sleet coming down right now. Yep, we're having a mix of snow and sleet right now. It's mostly snow because you want to know what the temperature is right now here in Queens? It is 15 degrees. Normally it's too cold for sleet, but apparently there is a very strong warm layer aloft. Hence why there's a mix right now. It's not all sleet. It's a mix of snow and sleet. But if you look closely, you could see some needles. There's some needles mixed in. The needles are forming below the warm air. So there is a big layer of sub-freezing temperatures below the layer that the snow is falling out of. So there is a wedge of warm air. So you're having snow falling through the warm layer, and the snow that's falling through the warm layer is not thick enough for the snow to completely melt. So the snowflakes are melting, but not fully, and then they're refreezing into basically icy snowflakes on their way down. But also there's a very thick layer of about almost 8,000 feet of sub-freezing temperatures with very high humidity. So you're also getting snow forming below that. So technically, I would say it's still snow. This is still snow. If you can see, you see those needles there. There's some needles mixed in. Yeah, it's still technically snow. It's a sleety snow. This is a type of snow I remember would fall before Easter's. Boston's expected to get up to 2.5 feet of snow. So this is going to be a pretty big storm for Boston. We're currently getting heavy snow mixing with some sleet. Woo! And it's a pelting snow too. Yeah, it's definitely sleet now. Yep. Woo. Yeah, we're getting sleet. We're getting a sleet snow mix right now. Temperature 15 degrees. Normally at this temperature, it would be all snow, but there's a warm layer above. So hence why we're getting the mixing. Yep. Yep. It's still technically snow. It looks like snow. It doesn't look like sleet. That's because the snowflakes are not fully melting, and then they're refreezing in this really crazy cold layer. Uh, all right. Hello. This is Queens, New York, New York City. Ooh. Yeah, it's pretty bad right now. It is very cold outside. Very cold. I mean, look at the snow. Like the snow, I can't even make a snowball out of it because it's so dry. Yeah, this is a dry snow. Ouch. Even though it's 15 at the surface, there's a layer of temperatures in the low to mid 30s, like about 700 feet thick. That's why this is happening. There's even a possibility of some freezing rain mixing in. There they go, cleaning up the streets. Whoa. All right. So yeah, the snow is now transitioning mostly over to sleet. No, 15 Fahrenheit, 15 above. That would be about minus 12 Celsius, if I did the math correctly. So it's minus 15 times 1.8, which would be about minus 30, and divide that by 1.8. Yeah, about minus 12 Celsius right now at the surface. It's in the teens right now. We're not even at 20 right now. We're actually in the teens. It's still kind of snowing. Like you could see, there's still snowflakes coming down. Yeah, I'm still seeing some needles coming down, but it's now a sleety snow. Um, I mean, it's possible it could change back over to snow if the precip gets heavy enough. Because if the precip gets heavy enough, you could saturate the entire layer and kind of erode that uh, what you call that warm air. You could erode that warm layer, and it could transition back over to snow. Yeah, but right now we're getting sleet. The sleet wasn't supposed to come in until 6 p.m. So yeah, it's actually ahead of schedule. The sleet has come in ahead of schedule, but we already have 9 inches. So yeah, uh, we're definitely up there. Yeah, now we're getting snow mixed with sleet right now. It's not the type of sleet that's transparent because the snowflakes aren't fully melting. So anyway, I gotta go right now. I gotta protect my